Hi students, in this video we are going to learn Heron's formula and how to use it. Heron's formula is mainly used to find the area of the triangle. We all know that area of the triangle is half into base into height. In some cases height will not be given. So that case we need to apply the Heron's formula. In this case all the three sides of the triangle will be given to us. If all the three sides are known to us, we can apply the Heron's formula to find its area. So these are the sides of ABC. We all know that what is meant by perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but sum of all the three sides. So we can write P is equal to A plus B plus C. P is nothing but perimeter. But in this formula, we have S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. What is stand for S means S is semi-perimeter. Semi means half of the perimeter. That is the meaning for that. Now S is equal to, how to find the S means first we have to find A plus B plus C, that is a perimeter value, and we have to divide it by 2. That is our S value. Now in this formula S will be the same perimeter and A, B, C which is used inside the root, it is three sides of the given triangle. Now let's see one example to get the clear idea about it. An isosceles triangle. What is meant by isosceles triangle means in a triangle any of the two sides are equal. So let us draw a small triangle. In this one two sides are equal. Any two sides. Let us assume these two sides are equal. And it has a perimeter 30. So perimeter is 30 means we can write P is equal to, that is perimeter is A plus B plus C, that is equal to 30 centimeter is given. And each of its equal side is 12. These equal sides, so this is 12 and this is also will be 12. Now find the area of the triangle is our question. So to apply the formula, that is means Heron's formula, we need all the three sides of the triangle, but here only two sides has been given to us. We need to find the third side. For that we can apply the perimeter value here. Now let us take, this is our A value and this is our B value, and C value is a question mark. We are going to find it now. Now in the place of A you take this 12, B also 12 is given, C we don't know. So let's keep the C as it is, which is equal to 30. 12 plus 12 will be 24 plus C is equal to 30 plus 24. If we take it to other side it will become minus, so 30 minus 24 which is equal to 6. So definitely C value is 6. So since this is centimeter, every side will be the centimeter only. So we know what is ABC and we know what is perimeter also. To apply the Heron's formula, first we need to find out what is S. S is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2, that is a semi-perimeter. We know what is a perimeter value, that is 30. A plus B plus C is 30. So let's take the 30 as it is and by 2. 30 by 2 is 15. So either you can take the perimeter as it is or you can add A, B, C value. That also will lead to the same answer. So S is 15. So let's go for the area formula now. Area formula through the Heron's. So A is equal to square root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now here from this triangle let me write A is 12 and B is 12 and C is our 6. Now let's apply here. Root of, the place of S we got this 15. So 15, so bracket stand for multiplication. So take the multiplication sign, S minus A. So 15 minus 12 multiple by 15 minus B value is 12. So 15 minus 12 again. S minus C. So S is 15, C is our 6. So minus 6 you should take. Now here first let us subtract and let get the individual value. So 15 multiple by 15 minus 12 is 3. Again 15 minus 12 is 3. And 15 minus 6 will give you 9. Now here first let us take the common terms outside. In a square root, if any number is repeated 2 times, one number we can take it out. For these 2, 3, 1, 3 came outside. Now the remaining number is 15 and 9. Again the 15 can be splitted as 5 threes are. And this 9 can be splitted as 3 threes are. After splitting you find out any common terms are there or not. Again we have 2 threes. We can take one more 3 outside. So 3 into 3. The remaining this 5 and this 3 doesn't have the pair. So let it be stay inside. So 3 threes are 9. 5 threes are 15. So we cannot take it out the 15 outside. So area value is 9 into root 15 square centimeter. Because the question is given in centimeter, we have to take it as a square centimeter as a area value. That's all students. Thank you for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.